Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, I'm your window man Eric with Window Depot USA of Dayton. We're out here in Walnut Hills in Dayton. This house was actually built in 1915, so it's a little older home. We did all of the upstairs windows on this house for the first phase, and then they're going to do the bottom half on their second phase. But if you want to come on up here, I'll show you what the old windows look like. They're actually the old wood windows with the lead weight and pulleys, and these have had storm windows put on, and then the wood has been capped with aluminum so they didn't have to paint it, partly because it probably had lead-based paint on it. So let's go inside. I'm going to show you what this window looks like on the inside and actually show you what parts we take out, and then we'll go upstairs and see some finished product. So here we are on the inside. Still original door, 1915. So here's what the original windows are. They're old wood windows with your rope and lead weight pulleys. When we come in to replace your windows with this type of opening, we're taking off this sash stop so we can get this sash out of the frame. Then we're going to take the center sash stop out so we can get the outer sash out. We leave the outer sash stop there and we install the window into that pocket, fasten it down, do our interior work and exterior work. Storm windows will be gone, and then we would put fresh capping on this window on the outside. So let's go ahead and go on upstairs and see what it looks like from the inside. So here on the inside, actually upstairs, a lot of this interior stop was missing. So what it was is the customer just chose to just leave it off, and they're going to come back and paint that, touch that up. But once again, this is inside that wood pocket. Have our flat vinyl on the inside. And then since the customer chose the most popular window that we sell, which is the Provia Triple Pane, they got the full exterior flex screen. And when you have that, this is what I favor, because you can let the cooler air come in down here. The hotter air in the room will escape. So another good reason to have a full screen, plus they keep out the most bugs. So thanks for joining me for another episode of The Customer's House. Peace out, everybody.